Welcome to SimpleCertifiedMail.com. This video tutorial will show you how to use the Print Queue feature to streamline the production of your certified mail. The Print Queue feature lets you prepare cover sheets and labels, but delay printing until a more convenient time. An example is if you create certified mail cover sheets throughout the day, you can print them all at once later in the day or later in the week using the Print Queue feature. There are two ways to add items to the Print Queue. First, from the Create Cover Sheets and Labels screen, after completing steps 1 through 3, simply click the Add to Queue button. Or second, click the Add to Queue button on the Print Preview screen. In both cases, a message will appear on the screen to confirm the cover sheet or label has been added to the queue. When you're ready to print from the queue, select Print Queue from the main navigation, or from the Create Cover Sheets and Labels screen. Next, you see the Print Queue screen. In this example, there are 6 cover sheets waiting to be printed. Make sure plain paper is loaded in your printer. Select the cover sheets you want to print using the Select column. Then click the Print Selected Cover Sheets button. After printing, the items are automatically deleted from the list. A few notes. The queue works whether you're printing cover sheets or labels, but don't mix the two within the same queue because it makes printing difficult. You have up to 8 days to print items in the queue. This is because postage must be scanned by the United States Postal Service within 8 days of issue. If you leave items in the queue for more than 8 days, they're automatically deleted and postage is credited to your account. And finally, if you realize that you no longer need to mail some of the items in the queue, you can delete them from the list by clicking Request Refund, and postage will be credited to your account. That's it. Now you know how the Print Queue feature works to streamline your workflow and make your day more productive. Thank you for using SimpleCertifiedMail.com. If you have any questions, please reach out via our website or give us a call at 888-462-1750, extension 2. This information is also contained in the user and administrator manuals, both of which can be downloaded from our website at SimpleCertifiedMail.com/manuals.